it has been used by the royal family since the late 1200s, so since forever. And then I mentioned in the 16th century it became the royal hunting grounds, and then in the 18th century it became a public park for all of us to enjoy. But because the king is the one who's been managing this land for so long, he's the one who still gets to decide which businesses and people get to live and work on this island. And so the current king has decided to invest in the culture here in Sweden and in Stockholm. And so that's why there's so many museums on the island of Djurgården. And the first one we can see has to do with this building up on the hill, the wooden one with the 2 stories. So that building is a part of Skansen, which is the open air museum. They have 140 or so buildings from different time periods from all around Scandinavia that they've brought here to Skansen. They're mostly original. And you can learn about the history and the culture and architecture of the different times. And so that building up there, the 2 stories there, on the bottom, that's where the cows would go in at night. And they would get all cuddly and snuggly and warm. And their heat would actually warm the top floor of the building. So that was some old school Scandinavian heating technology. Nowadays they have heated bathrooms, a lot of things. But you can learn a lot more about the architecture at Skansen. They also have a